Hello and welcome back to my channel Kotse. And today I am going to discuss about European Union's landmark AI Act, which has been passed by the Parliament. This is the first ever world's comprehensive law relating to regulation of artificial intelligence. So this is all sum and substance. The Act is first ever legal framework on AI which addresses the risk of AI and positions European Union to play in leading role globally. The AI Act aims to provide AI developers and the deployers with clear requirement and obligation regarding specific uses of AI. At the same time, the regulation seeks to reduce administrative and financial burdens of the business, in particular small and medium-sized enterprise, that is SMEs. This AI Act is a part of wider package of a policy measure to support the development of trustworthy AI, which includes the AI Innovation Package and the Coordinate Plan on AI. Together, these measures will guarantee the safety and the fundamental rights of the people and the business when it comes to AI. So this is basically a first ever comprehensive legal framework on the AI in the worldwide. The aim of the new rules is to foster the trustworthy AI in the Europe and the beyond by ensuring that AI system respects the fundamental rights, safety and ethical principles, and by addressing the risk of very powerful and impactful AI models. Now, these proposed rules will have the following specifics. This will address the risks specially created by the AI applications. This will prohibit AI practice that poses unacceptable risk. This will determine a list of high-risk application. This will set clear requirement of AI system for a high-risk applications. This will define specific obligation deployers and providers of high-risk AI applications. This will set clear requirement for AI systems for a high-risk application. This will require a conformity assessment before a given AI system is put into service or placed on the market. This will put enforcement in place after a given AI system is placed into the market. And this will establish a governance structure at Europe and the national level. The high-risk AI system identifies as a high risk include AI technology used in critical infrastructure, example transport, that could put the life and the health of the citizen at risk. Educational or vocational training that may determine the access to the education and professional course of someone's life. Safety components of the product, employment, management of the workers and access to the self-employment, essential private and public services, law enforcement that may interfere with the people's fundamental right, migration, asylum and border control management, administration of justice and democratic process. High-risk AI system will be subject to the strict obligation before they can be put on the market, and those are as adequate risk assessment and the mitigation system, high quality of the database feeding the system to minimize the risk and discriminatory outcomes, logging of activity to ensure the traceability of the result, detailed documentation providing all information necessary on system and its purpose for authorities to assess its compliance, clear and adequate information to the developer, appropriate human oversight measures to minimize risk, and high level of robustness, security, and accuracy. All AI remote biometric identification systems are considered high risk and are subject to the strict requirement. The use of remote biometric identification publicity accessible space of law enforcement purpose is in principle prohibited. This is what the highlight. Now, what are the limited risk? Limited risk refers to the risk associated with the lack of transparency in the AI usage. The AI Act introduces specific transparency obligation to ensure that humans are informed when necessary, fostering trust. For instance, when using AI systems such as chatbots, humans should be made aware that they are interacting with a machine so they can take an informed decision to continue a step back. Providers will also have to ensure that AI generated content is identifiable. Beside AI generated text published with the purpose to inform the public on matters of the public interest must be labeled as artificially generated. These also applies to the audio and video content constituting deep fakes. What are the minimal or no risk? The AI Act allows the free use of minimal risk AI. This includes the applications such as AI-enabled video games or spam filters. The vast majority of the AI system currently used in European Union fall into this category. How does it all work in practice for providers of the high-risk AI system? The step 1, high-risk AI system is developed. Step 2, it needs to undergo the conformity assessment and comply with the requirement. Step 3 is the registration of the standalone AI system in European Union database. Step 4, a declaration of conformity needs to be signed and the AI system should bear the CE marketing. The system can be placed on the market. And then if substantial changes happens in the all system life cycle. This is all the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 process. A solution for the untrustworthy use of large AI models. More and more general purpose AI models are becoming components of the AI system. These models can perform and adopt countless different tasks. While general purpose of AI models can enable better and more powerful AI solution, it is difficult to oversee all capabilities. There, the AI introduces transparency obligation for all general purposes of AI models to enable a better understanding of these models and additional risk management obligation for every capable and impactful models. These additional obligation include self-assessment and mitigation system risk, reporting of serious incidents, conducting tests and model evaluation as well as cyber security requirement. Future-proof legislation. As AI is fast developing technology, the proposal has a future-proof approach, allowing rules to adapt to the technological change. AI applications should remain trustworthy even after they have been placed on the market. This requires ongoing quality and the risk management by the provider. Enforcement and the implementation. The European AI Office, established in February 2024 within the Commission, oversees the AI Act enforcement and implementation with the member states. It aims to create an environment where AI technology respects human dignity, right, and trust. It also fosters collaboration, innovation, research in AI among various stakeholders. Moreover, it engages in an international dialogue with and cooperation on all AI issues, acknowledging the need of the global alignment on the AI governance. Through these efforts, the European AI Office strives to position Europe as a leader in the ethical and substantial development of AI technologies. So this is what the sum and substance of this enactment which has been passed by the European Union. The basic framework is already been uh, discussed. The main components are the law enforcement exemptions, obligations for the high risk system, transparency requirement, measures to support innovative and SMEs. These are all the parameters on which this act came to be passed, and this is in its own a landmark step by the European Union. This is the first of its kind steps taken by the European Union when it comes to the AI related act for its regulation, and the concern act has been placed in the parliament. It's been passed through and it becomes a law. So I hope the other countries will follow the same and will place into the similar or more robust mechanism and place into or adopt the law which will have an impact on the future generation of of any countries. And now the AI is going to play a very very vital role in future. So I hope of this kind of enactment is been passed by the Indian Parliament in coming days or in the near future. I read this news today in the afternoon and I thought of sharing this. So that's how this video is been made. I hope you have liked this video, and I shall keep coming back on some other topics related to the legal aspects in coming days. So see you soon. Have a nice day and thank you for watching the video. Thank you. Bye.